Now, Unity 2. My idea, this project is inspired by a game called AI Attack Number 1. Why I choose this one? Because I think that you can let the robot fight like Star Wars. What did I learn and use for my project? During class, I learned how to add a finish line. Learn how to add player controller. Code example. Code 1. The picture is about ball shooting. If the ball sees a player, it will shoot. Code 2. The controllers to ball behavior. It can run away, chase, shoot, or move around.
Share your other screen. Hold on. There's your. Oops. Share your other screen.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there it is. Okay, yeah. So share your share the video or the there it is right there. Yeah.
I can't leave.
All right, I can see it now. Okay, go ahead. Did you want to skip to the next level or
No.
no? Okay, all right.
Favorite. My favorite part about working on this project was play the game. How to improve my project. If I were to continue to work on this project.
Go back. It's still not loading the correct.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah. So go back to share, then share. Right there.
This one?
Yeah.
Favorite. My favorite part about working on this project was playing the game. how to improve my project. If I were to continue to work on this project, I will add first have more people to play. Second, to let the player shoot bombs to the robot. Third, add more robot in the game. Thank you.